From Neural Newscast, this is Model Behavior, AI-focused news and analysis on the models shaping our world.
I'm Nina Park. Welcome to Model Behavior. Today, we are examining the intersection of generative AI and the pharmaceutical industry. Specifically, how foundational models are being integrated into the highly specialized world of drug discovery and clinical research.
I'm Thatcher Collins. The focus today is the partnership between Danish pharmaceutical giant Novo Nordisk and OpenAI. This collaboration signals a significant shift in how the industry views large language models, moving beyond administrative support toward core scientific operations.
Reported recently by Tech in Asia, this initiative suggests Novo Nordisk is moving to embed OpenAI's architecture directly into its internal research pipelines. It is not merely a licensing deal for software. It appears to be a concerted effort to leverage sophisticated modeling to accelerate the identification of therapeutic targets.
Nina, it's interesting because Novo Nordisk possesses decades of highly proprietary biological data. While OpenAI provides the underlying neural architecture, the primary challenge remains the translation of general-purpose intelligence into the specific language of chemistry and molecular biology that defines pharmaceutical R&D.
Exactly. While the specific parameters of the models remain confidential, the primary objective is clearly a reduction in discovery timelines. Thatcher, do you feel this as a move to automate the literature review side of R&D, or is it deeper than that?
Typically, these partnerships aim for pattern recognition within vast molecular libraries. However, there is a technical caveat to consider. OpenAI's standard GPT models are not inherently trained for spatial protein folding or complex structural biology in the same specialized way that models like AlphaFold are.
That suggests Novo Nordisk may be utilizing OpenAI's infrastructure to build bespoke, fine-tuned tools that combine their own data with flexible transformer architectures. If successful, it would solidify OpenAI's position as a foundational layer for scientific advancement rather than just a chatbot provider.
It also raises the question of data privacy. Nina, a drug maker's primary competitive advantage is their research. Entrusting those insights to an external AI partner involves significant trust and the creation of highly secure, isolated technical silos.
The report indicates this is a strategic move for Novo Nordisk to maintain a competitive edge. In a landscape where processing complex biological datasets is becoming the new standard for efficiency, missing the AI curve is simply not an option for global leaders.
It is a trend worth watching. As these models become more adept at handling multimodal scientific data, the traditional boundary between technology companies and life science organizations continues to blur.
Thank you for listening to Model Behavior, a Neural Newscast editorial segment, mb.neuralnewscast.com. Neural Newscast is AI-assisted, human-reviewed. View our AI transparency policy at neuralnewscast.com.
This has been Model Behavior on Neural Newscast, examining the systems behind the story.